is to show you the new JavaScript API to interact with the desktop client. To do so, we have prepared a web link for you to try. You can embed this link to your Nx VMS desktop client, and then after that, make sure you go to the advanced page and click the Allow Using Client API button. After that, you can start using this embedded browser app to interact with your desktop client. So you can imagine this is a third-party application. It could be an access control application, a PSIM, a building management, a fleet management, or a GIS Map solution. It has its own purpose, and you want to interact. You want it to interact with the Nx VMS desktop clients. Okay, so a simple use case is like you click the button in the web, it will pull up a camera strings in the desktop clients like this. Okay, you can also add with different parameters. For example, I want to see the playback time. I can choose a time in the morning, for example, and then you press add. So you will start the playback from the specific given time. So it's like there is an event, and then you identify the event by the third-party application. You click on the event button on the web application that is embedded in the desktop client, and it will pull up an archive string or a live streams right here. Okay. Other than that, let's close this one. There are more parameters for you to try. For example, I already showed you, you can do a playback, right? And you can also do, for example, a playback with a fast forward or slow motion like that. If we press OK, it will be a playback, but with a 3 times faster time frames. Okay, so it's very flexible. Depends on your use cases. It can be live video, archive video, slow motion playback, fast forward playback. There's also examples about I want to add the video channel to the layout, and I want to give a specific locations. Something like this. If I say 4, the size is 1 times 1. I say OK. You see that? You go here. You can define the locations. So let me show you. Please pay attention to here. Now we have 4, 4, and 1 times 1, right? If I move the location around like this, if I move it here, it now becomes 1, 4, and 1 times 1. If I make it bigger, it becomes 0, 4, and 2 times 2. Okay, so these are the parameters you can give in your code, so that when you click a relevant icon of a video channel in your web application, it can define the location, the size of the video channel to be added to the desktop clients. Okay, so it works not only for the camera channel. As you can see right here, there are some, if you have local file uploaded to the system, for example, when something happened, right, and then you want to play a notification video, you want to play a manual video to the target operators to let them know, hey, this event happened, you should follow this video to do something, right? So in your Nx VMS system, it's not only live video. There you can embed it a web page like this. You can embed it a local image. You can embed it a local video to guide the operator to perform a specific actions, right? And common use cases we foresee are like access control. There's access events. You click on the event button, then it directly pull up a video from the resource tree and show in the desktop client. It could be a fleet management. You see a bus driving around. There's an event happening on the bus, and then you want the operator to see what exactly is happening from the back of the bus. For example, if it says someone hits the bus from behind, then you will put up the camera from the back, right? And then you can put it at a specific location in your layout. So it's a really cool and new developer tool that is available with 5.0. Before, we already have very comprehensive developer tool, but they're all for the server application. Like our server API is a REST API. We have a different kind of a C++ based SDK. but they're mainly interacting with the server applications. The new Client JavaScript API will allow you to make integrations with our desktop client, so the overall use cases of integrated solution will be much more smooth. Okay. If you have any questions about this, feel free to visit our developer portal or forum, developer forum, or contact us. Thank you very much.